All right, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It is December 6th, 2022, and a good friend of mine actually messaged me and was interested in using Nicehash, not for mining, but for buying hash power. And he's like, "There's a new section on here," and I'm like, "I don't think it's new. I think they've been selling hash power for a while. That's like their whole thing." But he's like, "No, they have like another section for buying hash power." And I was like, "Well, I'll check it out." And I checked it out, and I'm definitely not going to be, spoiler alert. I'm not going to be doing it. It looks very gambly. It technically is gambling. I mean, isn't everything just a calculated gamble? But I figured out I could talk about it in a video. By the way, this is not sponsored by Nicehash. If it was sponsored by Nicehash, it'd probably be a pretty bad sponsored video because I don't recommend this service specifically. So let's take a look at it. Here we go. Oh, where is it? So here it is. It's the Nicehash Easy Mining. Um, just from the surface looking at it, you have all these different packages and you pay a price. Like this one is the Bronze S package. You pay $1.70 worth of BTC, and if you hit a block with the hash power that you buy, then you get paid out $113.79. The probability is 1 in 90. So not very much. A little bit over 1% probability you'll hit this. If you look at the details, it's mining Zcash. It mines it for 1 hour, and this is the package price. You can actually get the payout in BTC, or if you want to pay out to an external wallet, you can get the payout in the Zcash coin. And they have different packages like Bronze L details. It's $68 worth of BTC, and it pays out 113. Probability is 1 in 3, so 30%. And at first it's like, oh, maybe that's good, boom, I hit it a couple times. But as soon as you like don't hit it, this is just straight up gambling. Yeah, and I mean, my buddy was like, yo, what if I go do the Gold S? Look at that one. It's $1.70, and the potential block reward is $105,000. It mines Bitcoin for an hour. I mean, the probability is 1 in 73,422. Probability is calculated for at least one block reward. Read more about probability here. This is almost criminal. I mean, this is on the level of like, this is straight up lottery. And some people are like, oh, well, mining in general is like a lottery. But it's a little bit different when you own the hardware or you're buying hash power. And this is like solo mining hash power. This isn't like, well, I guess technically if you're buying hash power, it's a solo mine. I don't know. Something about this just feels really scammy. Even the Gold L, it's $170. Probability is 1 in 738, which at first doesn't sound bad, but that's bad. Those are bad odds. You get $105,000 worth of Bitcoin. And I'm just like, and I told him, I was like, obviously you can do whatever you want, but proceed with caution, and I'd be very surprised if you win anything. And he told me, he's like, I'm definitely doing it. I'm going to. And I'm like, okay, we'll just report back on your findings. So if I do another video on this, then you'll know that he won something. If I don't do another video on this, because he didn't. Now, looking at this, it looks like this released September 22nd, 2022 on this update. And it says, what's happening behind the scenes when I buy an easy mining package? This kind of explains things. What's going on there? Oh, Dead in Traffic just subscribed. Thank you, buddy. So you decided to try your luck at mining cryptocurrency and hope you catch a block. What does that even mean? There's a background. We don't need to know that. So first, what is mining? Don't worry, you don't need a helmet, pickaxe, or hairy chest for this. In fact, with Nicehash Easy Mining, you don't even need a graphics card, powerful computer, or expensive ASIC. Mining is a system that verifies transactions. We know what mining is. Nicehash is a hash power broker. It sells the computing power required to mine cryptocurrency. Blah, 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 blah. So, how mining works. Cryptocurrency transactions are grouped together in blocks. Whoever solves the block first wins the block. So what is easy mining with Catch the Block? So now you know what mining is. Why should you try it with Nicehash Easy Mining? You don't even need to know any of the above information. We made it so simple that all you have to do is buy a package. Sit back and grab a beer and wait for the mining to finish. Your package is simply buying computing power called hash power to mine cryptocurrency. If the hash power you bought validates a block, then you get the full block reward. How do you get started? You need some Bitcoin, you buy a package, then you choose your package, buy your package. If you catch a reward, it will show a rocket icon. If you caught a block, congratulations, you can now claim your reward after the block has been confirmed by the network. Currently, you can mine Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, or Dogecoin, and it looks like you can get paid out directly in those or actual Bitcoin. You can check out a more help article. Yeah, I mean, I guess this is literally just. Maybe I was being too hard on it. Maybe. Man, maybe this is just a served up, easier way of getting people into buying hash power. And that's a whole nother topic of like, some people are like, oh, it's better to buy hash power than it is to buy hardware. And yes, but no, that's for you to decide. I've never been a big proponent of buying hash power because I always just felt like it's too risky and you're rolling the dice and you have to have a lot of trust in the company you're doing it with. I don't know. There's a website that a lot of people used to use called Mining Rig Rentals. I don't know if they're still around. Yeah, Mining Rig Rentals. Hash power rentals made easy. So you can rent a mining rig or mining rigs depending on what you want to mine, how long you want to mine, everything. And people put their hardware up there, and it's a more customizable way of doing it. I'm not saying Nicehash is going to scam you, but I mean, yeah, I don't know. I feel like maybe this is too technical for a lot of like entry level people, and this is just simple. It's like, oh, I like that one. I'm gonna buy that one. Maybe I should put my money where my mouth is. Maybe I should buy one. So mining Zcash for 4 hours. Probability is 1 in 3. Turn $68 into $113. What if I go with I agree? Please note that in order to claim your rewards, you must have KYC Tier 2 on your account. I guess I need to KYC this Nicehash account if I wanted to do that, which I really would prefer not to KYC it. You know what I'm saying? But I guess that's part of the cookie crumbling. Okay. Anyway, cutting this short. I don't know if I'm going to do this. I will report back. But comment down below if you have used this easy mining platform on Nicehash, and what your results were. And then also, I don't remember what else I was going to say. Regardless. Anyway, hope y'all have a good evening. This is Brandon on Brandon Coin. It's been fun. It's been real. I don't know if it's been real fun, but man, this has got me. I'm puzzled right now. Should I do it? Comment down below. Should I do it or should I not do it? And I'm gonna give it like a day and then go with the comments. Do it for science. I'd probably do the one that's like 30% probability. So I only have a 1 in 3. Technically, what, 33%. So I'd have like a 66.6% chance of losing my money. And that's what happens also, by the way. You put your money in, you buy the hash power. If you don't hit a block, you get nothing. So, yay. All right. Yeah. All right, I'm getting off here. Get me gambling. Remind me of the old days of crypto YouTube gambling.